Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here. I'm just taking a look at Bitcoin. I've got it open on a 4-hour chart. Just want to give you my take on this so you can see what I've got marked up. If we take this out to the weekly, I won't because I want to keep the video short. But if you take it back out to the weekly, you'll see we've got multiple touches right here where this high is. Multiple touches on the weekly back here. So it's a key level, and obviously you can see it's a key level because we've traded up to it, rejected multiple times here. And we keep banging away at this level. There's a daily key level of resistance here as well. So if you go back on the daily, you'll see multiple touches through here. So we have this resistance range. What's interesting to me with this at the moment is, well, we've got this weekly open. See this dash line through here? That's the weekly open Monday. Traded south, and then we've broken through, and I'm wondering whether it holds above the weekly open. Maybe, maybe not. So if it rotates here, that could give us a nice bullish move. I don't like getting involved long at this level though, that's the thing. And I'm willing to kind of let that go. I am looking for a buy opportunity, but I don't want to get in up here. I mean, look, there's your opportunity down here and also down here, you know, where we get in at a discount. The other thing we can see, we've got this horizontal resistance range through here. If we pick this up, we have this ascending triangle, bullish ascending triangle developing. So we've got these higher lows, and we keep banging up against this level. So I mean, if we, hit a rock enough times with a hammer and it smashes. So I'm just waiting or wondering whether we're going to see that happen here, that we break through this level and we're away. Now, if we do crack this level, I mean, we did here, but it kind of rotated and traded south. What I'd love to see would be, I'll just grab my pencil. There's a couple of ways I'm going to get involved with this, and it's bullish. Like if we actually trade up here and we break this level and it holds above here, that's an opportunity. Higher highs, higher lows. So you want to see the trend forming above this high on the lower time frame. I'd go down to a 3-minute chart, and I want to see higher highs, higher lows. That would get me interested. Now, the other thing that I'm looking at is potential entry point with a limit, a buy limit order. So I'll just mark that, and I'll show you what I'm doing with this. So, I'm going to set up, say, buy limit. And the way that I do this is have a look at this diagonal here, and I mean, you can pull a fib through. Pull it through from here. This 61.8 to 786 is an ideal entry zone. Given it's bullish, I like to pull back into this range, this level on the fib. So I'm going to set up a buy up here because I do want to get my feet wet. This is a small position. That'll be a limit order. And then the other thing that I'm going to do is, well, I'm considering this whole section through here a buy zone. So let's just mark that up as a buy zone. And I'm going to allocate, say, let's have a look back down here. See this where I've got 4H here. What I'm doing is picking up the body of this candle down to the low. I'd go just above the 786, or maybe midway, 61.8, 786. I would set up in here, just mark that, I'll show you what this is. This is a buy limit, and I'm going to go 0.4% of my account, position size. So this is my buy zone, and I'm allocating a total of 0.6 for this position size. I'll have 4 trades open maximum. 4 6s are 24. So that's looking at risk management and exposure no more than 2.4% of my account at any one time. If you're trading a prop firm account, you've got to keep a lid on exposure, your risk, or any account, your own account, whatever. Oh, by the way, guys, check the links below. Have a look at We Trade Your Forex account. That's interesting. You can connect your account to mine and benefit from the same success we're having. And the other one is to join our free Telegram group. Love to see you in there. Righto, back to the chart. We've got this buy zone. If this drops back in here, and I'll explain what I want to do with this. If this pulls back down and we get a fill here, and that's it, I'm good with that. And what I might do is, if we crack this level, I'll add to my position here. So that's one thing. If it trades a bit further south, okay, we get a fill here and we get a fill here, great. It doesn't take long for this, I'll call it a basket of trade. It's only two open positions. But that's going to be in profit around about here. So what do you want to do with that? Well, you could pull your stop loss up, you could close a portion, close all, whatever you want to do. But at least it doesn't take long for this to be in profit. That's why I go a bigger position down here. Now, if it happens to head south, my stop loss is down here. If that gets hit, okay, so it's 0.6% of my account, no big deal. Otherwise, if it carries on, then it's happy day. So I think, that kind of wraps it up pretty much. I'm looking to buy. I don't want to get in up around here. I will if we break this high and pull back, retest and fail. But yeah, I mean, that's what I'm looking at. So I think with that, guys, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. Comment, smash the likes, whatever you can do with this video would be great. And we'll see you in the next video.